KamSnaps on. I have had so much choice because with KamSnaps you've got loads of different colors. I went for orange because that matched my orange the best, and it's a nice contrast against the yellow. So if I had a yellow one, it would kind of like get lost in it, and I might not have had the right yellow anyway. So always better to have a contrast. So here it's going in, so I press down really hard so I have an indent where it needs to go, and then I get the owl and I'm just pushing through all the layers. That's a technique you always use with the KamSnaps. It's really easy. You mark it where you want them to go all through the layers like this, and then you take one flat KamSnap and one with the slightly raised edges, the thicker edges, and then you've got another one with sharp edges, and that's going to be your top KamSnap. I'm doing the one with a thicker edge here. The first thing is to put through your KamSnap from the underside, and the prong needs to stand out to the other side. And then I'm going to put the second part on, which is the one with a thicker rim, and I'm using my tool then to press that together, and the little prong that stands up is going to be squished down and therefore hold it in place. It works really, really well. I have to tell you, the KamSnaps for a beginner are wonderful. Just don't iron on them because they're plastic, they'll melt. Okay, next I'm going to do the top KamSnap, and I'm pushing my prong through from the top side and then put the sharp rim on, and I'm just doing these up now, and that's it. Great. Lay it nice and flat like that. There we go. And now I'm going to mark the lower one, and then the middle one is just going to go in the middle, wherever that is. You don't need to work this out, just what your eye tells you where you want it to go. So move the middle one off. So I'm going all the way through, opening up the placket again, taking out the owl out of the lower layer, and then again flat piece goes in first, push the prong through to the top, place the thicker edged second part of your KamSnap on top, take the tool, there you go, your pliers, and press down hard. There you go, it's in. Now do the same on the top, remove the owl completely and put the flat part of your KamSnap, the pretty part, in, prong through to the other side, then you take the sharp edged one and you press that one in. Awesome. And that's that one done. And now we can do the top one up. Always do them up in between, that's real important. And now I just have to take the middle, and my eyesight is pretty good for that sort of thing, so I'm going to take my measurement here just to show off a bit. It's slam bang on the middle, isn't it? I did it perfect. So now all I need to do is know where that middle is, and then I'm going to just push that through. I think the less sewing experience you have, and the less you are able to just see by eyesight all of this, you might want to take a textile marker and just mark the lower one, the top one, and then measure out what the center is of that. Those pens you can get from Joann's or any other haberdashery shop, and that makes your life easier. I don't tend to do that anymore, but you can. Right, now I just need to put the top one on. Prong goes through to the other side. Which one goes on here? Yes, the sharp one. And take your time. You might think I never get this wrong, but I've actually put on like the same pop out on both sides because I was like dreaming. So make sure that you have the sharp one on one side and the one with the raised rim on the other. And that's it. We've done it with our two tools, and our KamSnaps are in.